ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about Kaifo. Kaifo is a decentralized ecosystem built on Venus Smart Chain. It leveraging the underlying technology with the Venus Smart Chain and provides a bunch of decentralized app services like non-fungible token market liquidity, lending and staking to earn more non-fungible tokens. Kaifo is a multi-chain decentralized exchange ecosystem for non-fungible tokens. Initially aims to solve six important current challenges. These challenges are lack of liquidity in the non-fungible token market, lack of lending opportunity for non-fungible token artists, lack of proper use of non-fungible token stacking, lack of utility use cases, lack of non-fungible token monetization as an in-game item for non-fungible token holders, and lack of cross-chain uses of non-fungible tokens. Kaifo knows how so many artists are falling behind. So many creatives don't even get a chance to get their art live on the blockchain. Therefore, Kaifo has done a lot of research. A question can come to your mind that what would be the final form of non-fungible token trading? And the answer is final form of non-fungible token trading will be one that eats other trading platforms' liquidity. So Kaifo are molding Kaifo ecosystem based on this final form for it to become the last non-fungible trading platform. Whenever another platform tries to beat Kaifo with a better business model, higher liquidity, Kaifo mirrored their model and liquidity onto themselves until they regain the world's best marketplace again. This process can be thought of as a continuous vampire attack until all world non-fungible token artists and collectors backed by Kaifo, and they provide the best quality to the artist. As Kaifo crush from the ground, they will start building out a competitive marketplace, clearing functionality that allows people to bid on providing market-making strategies for non-fungible tokens. As Kaifo prepare for the end of world's biggest marketplace around them, they can then win off the mirroring and start to function independently as the largest non-fungible token to fungible token trading platform over a cross-chain module. Let's have a look on the roadmap of Kaifo. Kaifo commencement their project in Q1 2021. In Q2 2021, they listed their ongoing development such as crowdfunding, NFT marketplace, and launching decentralized exchange. They are also developing lending or borrowing feature and smart contract audit feature. Cross-chain integration, mobile app, extended NFT Vault, NFT liquidity, automatic market maker, and game development will be their upcoming edition of Kaifo in Q3 2021. In Q4 2021, they will add Launchpad and Incubator, governance system improvement, and ecosystem development. There are some important things that you should remember as Kaifo user. Once you invested in pre-sale, you are their premium customer. You get discounts upon using their platform. Only 20% tokens are tradable each month. That is to protect market manipulation by early investors. You can stake and earn more NFTC or raw non-fungible token items. Price increases over time. Listing price is 90k per Venus coin. You should buy before the price goes up. All vesting starts from listing in late May and then linearly distributed over time. By the way, did you know Kaifo is a term of wealth? And they are proving the meaning of their name. So guys, join Kaifo and start to grow your wealth now. Thank you everyone.